Welcome to IGCSE Computer Science Algorithm Tutorial. In this tutorial, we shall be looking at how to use pseudocode to solve the maximum algorithm problem. And to start off, we have 10 numbers to extract the largest value from them. In our previous task, we approached this task using a flowchart. And in this particular problem, we shall be concentrating on how to solve the same task using pseudocode. Pseudocode is more like a translation of what we have in the flowchart. As you can see the flowchart on the right hand side, we want to be translating what we have into the pseudocode on the left hand side. Now first of all, we initialize the count variable to 1 and we get an input and store that input in the largest variable. And next, we begin our loop with a condition that the count must be less than 10. If we're starting from the first count, which is 1, for instance, it means that 1 is less than 10, and we can now get an input from the user. Check whether that input is greater than largest, assuming the input you have is 5, and the first input, which happens to be the largest, is like 2. So since our current input is greater than the largest, that means it has to become the largest by assigning that input to the largest variable. And we end if. Always remember to do this. Having ended if, within the while loop, we are going to increment our count by 1. This continues until the 9th count, which also passes this test, but updates at this point, making it to be 10. Hence, it is no longer less than 10. So at this point, we move away from the loop and proceed to the next instruction line to execute the command output largest. And here comes the end of our tutorial for the maximum algorithm using pseudocode. Thanks for watching, and if you have not subscribed, kindly do so and share. See you in our next tutorial.